Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to do the hard reset on this phone. So before do the hard reset, you need to copy all your personal informations like your photos, videos, files, anything. So after do the hard reset, it will vanish all your personal informations including your mail ID also. Okay, so you need to take care of this one. Okay. So after reset, you will get your phone like a new device. So let me show you how to do the hard reset. First of all, we need to connect our device to any other device or the power adapter. So here I am going to connect this phone to this one. Okay. So after this one, we need to turn off your phone. For this, press and hold the volume down button and the lock button. Tap on the option power off. Yeah, after this one, press and hold the volume up button and the power button. Keep holding both buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Yeah, now the Samsung logo is here. So release the buttons when Android recovery menu appears. Yeah, release this one. So this is Android recovery menu. Okay, now you can see some options here. Let me show you the closer view. So to move the menu, we need to use volume buttons, and to select the menu, we need to use the power button. So here you can see the menus: reboot system now, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data or factory reset, wipe cache partition, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off. Okay, these are the options. So let me show you how to do the hard reset. To hard reset, we need to select wipe data or factory reset. So to move, use the volume buttons. Yeah, now we select the wipe data or factory reset. To select this one, press on power button. Now again select factory data reset using the volume button. Then select use the power button. At the bottom you can see wiping data. Now just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now we successfully do the hard reset. Now after this one, remove this cable from your phone and we can easily reboot our system. For this, using the volume button to select the reboot system now, then press on the power button to confirm this option. You can see our device is restarting. You can see the device is like a new device. After this one, we need to easily configure our device. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.